Jai Srimanarayana. 13th sloka from 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Aprakashaha apravrittischa pramado mohayevacha तमस्येतानि जायन्ते विवृद्धे कुरु नन्दन। ओम। Do not let tamogunam dominate in you, because it makes you feel lazy, makes you feel not working at all though you have capacity to work, and makes you feel go against to the laws of Vedic scriptures. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall make sure that tamogunam doesn't dominate me in me. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. निगमकल्पतरोर्गलितं फलं सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा सरस्वती देवी व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. श्रीमद्भागवतमो दशमस्कन्धं 10th स्कन्धं 274th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, after Dhenukasura was killed, Balarama Krishna, they both came back to Vrindavan. Rohini Devi, Yasoda Devi, both of them made very delicious items ready to feed Balarama Krishna. Before that, Gatadvana Shramau Tatra Majjana Unmardanadibhihi. Balarama Krishna both were got very good massage done to their bodies, and whatever the tiredness that they got through the travel, all that tiredness is gone. After that, Nivim Vasitva Ruchiram Divya Sragandhamanditau, they took bath and they wore beautiful garments, and they have decorated themselves. They got all the perfumes sprayed. After that, whatever that Rohini Devi, Yasoda Devi, they put all that food, prasya, Balarama, Krishna, they ate full. They were very much satisfied with that food. Then both of them, Balarama, Krishna, they rested very well. They went into sleep. They fell into sleep. Like that, evam sa Bhagavan Krishna Brundavanacharah kvachit. Sri Krishna Paramatma, along with Balarama, he has shown all of his leela, his glow, his glorious activities in Brundavanam, and he enjoyed over there. So while the days were passing like that, one of those days, only Krishna, without Balarama, he went into the forest, and from there he went into the banks of Yamuna river along with his friends and cows. After they all reached Yamuna, the cows and Gopalas, to quench their thirst, they went into Yamuna and drank the water from Yamuna river. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 14th chapter, 13th sloka. Aprakasho pravrittischa pramado mohayevacha tamasyetani jayante vivruddhe kurunandana. Aprakasho pravrittischa pramado mohayevacha tamasyetani jayante vivruddhe kurunandana. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.